On this video I'm going to show you how I took a picture of this can using my phone and converted it using AI into this. Keep watching and I'll show you how it happens. Okay, so let's show you the steps. First thing, we go to remove.bg, remove background. We upload our image because we've got a picture with the hand holding the can, which we don't want. So we just upload that in there first of all. It'll take away the background. In this circumstance, it's left the hand there. I want to get rid of that, so I just use the erase background tool just to give it an idea of the other areas I want removing, which are my fingers and the rest of the hand. So we just highlight that, let go, and that will then go and remove the rest of that. And then we've got our can. So we click on download. We can download the free preview and save that. So we've now got our can as our image. So now what I do is go over to KlingAI.com. What have we got? There's 1.6. Let's go that. And I want to drop or paste my image. So I've got my can with the background removed. So this is going to create for me an image to video. So it's a solid image. So now I need to give it a quick prompt. And my prompt is simply this: add a background of fresh alpine mountains. That's add a S. With spring flowers. Slowly rotate the can to make it like a commercial video. I'm going to use 20 credits to do this, so click on generate, and then this is what the result comes up with. Now, whilst we're just waiting for this to generate, I'll remind you again that there is a free gift for simply having watched my video. So go to thanksforwatching.com to go and get your free gift, especially if you're interested in AI. But let's now show you the result from this prompt with KlingAI. Okay, so there we go. There's our video. We can download this now. We can, as a premium user, download it without watermark or download it with the watermark. So I'll just do that and then let you see that just at the end of this video.